We are at South Delhi seat, Jangpura polling booth, and lots of people are coming. Family is here. You can see every kind of person here, buzurg, old women also, young children also, first time voter, and she is sitting Delhi High Court Judge Justice Pratibha M. Singh. Ma'am, you came here with all your family members. How you
Yes.
feel? What thinking you have about voting?
I think voting is a festival of democracy. Elections are very, very important and we all should vote. It is not only our right but our duty as well.
Usually people think judges don't vote, they work only. So you ever skip any voting in your means life?
I must tell you an interesting experience. I was, the first time I ever voted was in England because all Commonwealth children could vote when I was studying there. And I think that judges are very, very responsible. I am almost sure that almost all our judges would have voted. We also work very hard, as the Supreme Court said recently. And I think that I have no doubt, but all judges would be voting today.
What appeal you would like to give to the people who are not coming for vote? Because voting percentage is very low.
Please get out in the hot summer, but still vote.
We have Manmeet also. Manmeet, what is your experience about voting as a young voter?
I've been voting for a while now, and I think the election commission has been, every year time I come, the process is very, very smooth, and I have always been inspired to vote every time. So they make it very, very easy for us to vote, and to vote for everyone. For example, my brother is now voting for the first time. My brother had come back from London to vote. Just to vote he had come. So we have always been very keen to vote, and I think the process is very, very smooth. So even if it's very hot, I do appeal to the people that they come out and vote, because it's a very, very important day for us.
Yeah, it's an important day, and you should every person, every citizen of this country should come out with family and cast vote here, because it's a like festival of democracy. In New Delhi with Kanan Patra, Ashish Bhargav for NDTV.